Worth to stay. Equals. The owner is friendly and gives a proper details about the accommodation. The house is clean, tidy and comfy. I truly like the nice views and the facilities provided by 28 Boulevard. Wonderful stay. Nice and cozy place. Would recommend everybody to come for short stay to stay here. Appreciate owner to have Koei machine next time, as no bottled water provided. Thank you. Exceptional clean and nice. Sangat Bike Studio Sangat Percy. Nice view. I will repeat next time. Staycation recommended even studio room TP quite nice. Samua Ada. Best, comfy, and very clean. I am totally recommend this studio apartment. I do really enjoy staying here with my friends. Easy to communicate with the host, everything's we need are provided and super clean room. Thank you. I will going to repeat to book this place again in the future. Superb. Really recommended. This is my second time staying here. Super easy to check in. The host is very kind and fast response. The room is clean and spacious, also complete with kitchen appliances. Wi-Fi and Netflix also functioning well. Free parking provided. Strategic locations, near LRT and MRT station, supermarket, restaurant, etc. Overall, it was a nice stay worth the penny. Will repeat again. Thanks. Comfortable and convenient. House is clean, comfortable with conducive environment, view nice, convenient cause they are shops at the ground floor. Definitely will come back again. Nice KLCC view, comfortable and nice night view. Good place to stay. It's a perfect stay, but the cleaner was so rude, smiley face. The host was kind and willing to attend to my texts at night when the Wi-Fi wasn't working. Exceptional Billick Cantic Dance Alessa, Sparkles, Sparkles, will repeat it soon. The best place to stay, good accommodation, cleanness, near to city center, the host good responses, recommend for value money and experienced. Exceptional, very nice unit, very clean and good customer service.